Hi guys, Paul
and Ryan.
We're outside of Jerseytown, Pennsylvania, and we're at the Jerseytown Cemetery. It's a nice, quaint view coming up from the road, and we wanted to check it out and show it to you. Nice country road cemetery and a nice country drive. Check it out.
On the hill.
On the hill. Yeah, don't try to clean your phone when you got done cooking with bacon. Bacon grease gives it that soft glow.
The hazy.
The hazy.
Bacon haze.
The bacon haze. House Neck is a very popular name in the area. So we're going down the more recent part of the cemetery is on the top, and we're going to go down and see about a little bit more of the historic stuff down here. We're off 642, and as you can hear, I mean, it's definitely a traveled road. I like seeing these. They remind me of the cemetery, the tombstone in The Night of the Living Dead in Evans City. Oh, that's an old one. No, it's really. These are interesting. Sister, brother, 1850, not 1840.
These are some nice stones.
Yeah, right? Really thick too. Yeah.
This one was only
The whole family all in a row. Oh, Sister Sarah Smith. Yeah, we're in the 1860s, 1840s. Interesting.
What? The mother outlived all of them.
Wow.
And then the sister, and then the father. All the kids died first.
Jeez. James Johnson. And this cemetery gets taken care of, and it's kind of interesting to see these brand new headstones all lined up like that. Well, they were lined up like that before, but brand new, well made. Now it's nice when you get into the trees. I always like that. I just trump right along, and she takes her time and looks at stuff. Right, Ryan? Said I just go for it and just go.
He just runs away with it. Yep, showing you all of it, and I look.
It's very one-sided conversations, and so I'm trying to slow my roll a little bit. By the tree.
The tree was not that big when Henry was planted there. Wow.
Robert F. D. Miles. Anne E. Welliver. Okay, yeah. Small stones. Is it?
Blueberry. Smell it.
Wow.
It's juniper. Gin, right?
Yeah, juniper. That's a nice juniper smell. I have some juniper at the house too. The major flavoring component of gin is juniper. Wellivers. Lots of Wellivers, actually. Still see a bunch over here. Robins. Family that owned my place. I don't know what. This one needs excavated. Yeah. Robins was the pre-owners of my house many decades ago. This tall one? Oh, yeah.
I think it had probably a little peak to it.
A little urn or something on the top of it. A random brick? Oh no, okay. So the bricks came from under there. Some of these are fell over.
This guy's only 10 days old.
10 days.
Yeah.
Dang. Let's see. 1850s.
These are pretty. They have nice font.
Although, let's go look at them.
18.
I think, was it either Wellivers or what was this? Yeah. Yep. John Boyd. Fisher. $18.56. 38 maybe. A nice little section of woods behind it.
Deer prints?
Probably. I've seen a lot of deer in this place. Not like the one cemetery we went to where it was elk droppings. Let's kind of curious to see which ones are these. No, it isn't. Might have been, I don't know, coyote or something. All right, lot in the mid 1800s, or yeah, I said that right. 1800s. Cool. Look at this one. Now I'm getting to see the problems of having a cemetery on a hill. Another Welliver. Whoa, look at that. Look at the font on that one. Big like weeping willow or something on the top of it. Phineas Welliver. Died September 11th, 1850. Was that one? Age 59 years.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at that font.
Oh, big. Very nice.
Mm-hmm. Phineas. Here's one, I don't know if it was already on the ground or if it fell over. I'm assuming it fell over. Oh, yeah. Certainly hope no one pushed it over. Let's just say that. John Sheldon. And now we're down into the far corner. Boy, these are worn. Well, they obviously, this is a veteran, but the gravestones are. This one has some random markings, but I can't really make it out. Well, obviously they're using the cemetery records to know where all the people are. Wonder what kind of tree that was. Give you a good idea what the cemetery looks like from the bottom side. There's the, I think, the tallest monument here right there. We're at the front of the bottom area of the cemetery. We're gonna walk up, back up to the truck. I wasn't recording, obviously, when I scared a nice sized buck out of the woods that ran through the cemetery. Way to go, me. And we found some lamb's ear down here. Cypress. These guys have a good place, right under the tree.
Damn.
Some birds up there. Some
Birds
yeah,
and
scaring bucks and birds. But these guys, look at that. Nice little
1832.
1832.
That's the far one. I can't read this one.
1838. Wow. And they got a nice spot. $1835 or 1837 rather. 1847, 1849. All right. Give you a good look at the cemetery again. We'll see you up at Marge. Okay guys, that's been a nice little walk through the Jerseytown Cemetery off 642 North Jerseytown. Pretty close to the Jerseytown Tavern too, so if you're swinging through, check out both places.
On certain days.
On certain days. They're open Wednesday through Friday, I think, so.
Right now.
Yeah, so until the next time, this has been Paul.
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors Chuck. Cheers.
Get outdoors.
Boom.